This video is for users who used or planning to use Ador products. Automatic door openers for your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Ford Transit, Dodge ProMaster. If you used or using or planning to use CROCO gear train system or TROC automatic door opener on the cable system, you know that the kit comes with everything needed, with all hardware, including the buttons for the driver to control the door from the dashboard, button for the passengers, remote controllers, and originally in all kits the door handles are deactivated for the touchless entrance to the vehicle. Right now, Ador company came up with the product. It came up with the door handle model that would activate your door handles on the inside and outside. It comes with everything, and pretty much how it works. So with a simple installation, you will activate your exterior door handles as well as interior door handles, and it will just work just like originally most of the cars do work. So look below, we will put the videos of the installation process for those devices. Come to the channel, subscribe, and you will be notified about the future updates. Looking forward to see you back.